This is the Deepcool Wind Blade 80. It's a budget-friendly 80mm chassis fan made by Deepcool. I bought this here in the Philippines on Lazada for less than 200 pesos, or $5. The package contains the fan and 4 screws. The fan's airflow direction is indicated on the side. Find an available fan slot on your PC and unpack the screws included in the package. Place the screws on the fan. Connect either a 3-pin fan connector or a Molex connection. In my case, I'll be using this as a side exhaust fan for my PC. The fan can be connected in 2 ways. It has a Molex connector for direct connection to the PSU and a 3-pin fan header for motherboard control. The fan is silent during operation, which is impressive for its price. Overall, it's great value for a budget 80mm fan. Yes, if you need an 80mm fan, this is a solid budget option. It's affordable, functional, and it even has lights. That's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed this review. Please leave a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Thanks, and see you in future videos. Peace.